Hello, welcome to Good Minds Learning. In this session we will learn about India, geographical position and physical features. Concepts covered in this chapter are heritage of our country, the origin and background of the word Bharat, India's geographical location, extent, land and water boundaries and the neighboring countries. India physical divisions, mountains, plains and coastal regions. Now we will see each of them in detail. Heritage and origin of the name Bharat. India has a rich and unique heritage. India is described as a peninsula located in Southeast Asia. It is also known as India and Hindustan. The name India is derived from the river Indus. It is named Bharat after the ancient Indian king Bharat. India exhibits unity in diversity from ancient times, a unique characteristic contributing to its rich heritage. The diverse physical features, climate, and people lead to it being called a subcontinent. Geographical location and extent. India is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. It tapers from a wide north to a triangular shape in the south, ending in the Indian Ocean. Latitudinal position extends from 8 degrees and 4 minutes north to 37 degrees and 6 minutes north latitude. Longitudinal position extends from 68 degrees and 7 minutes east to 97 degrees and 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degrees north latitude passes through the central part of India. The total length from Kanyakumari in the south to Kashmir in the north is 3,214 kilometers. The length from east to west is about 2,933 kilometers. The southernmost point of mainland India is Kanyakumari. The southernmost point when considering the islands is Indira Point in the Great Nicobar Islands, located at 6 degrees and 45 minutes north. Indian Standard Time is based on the 82 degrees east longitude passing through Allahabad and is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you are enjoying the session. Please like and subscribe to our channel Good Minds Learning. Do not skip the content. If you find it is slow, then watch it with 1.25x or 1.5x speed. Size and population. India's total area is 32,87,263 square kilometers. It is the 7th largest country in the world, occupying about 2.4% of the world's total area. As per the 2011 census, India has a total population of 121 crores 1.21 billion. It accounts for about 17.5% of the world's population. India is the second largest country in terms of population, after China. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the National Capital Territory NCT. Frontiers and neighboring countries. India has both land and water frontiers. Land frontiers, 15,200 kilometers. Coastline, 6,100 kilometers. India shares land borders with 7 nations. Northwest, Afghanistan and Pakistan. North, China, Nepal and Bhutan. East, Myanmar, Burma and Bangladesh. Neighboring countries also include Sri Lanka to the south and Maldives to the southwest. Specific boundary lines are Radcliffe Line between India and Pakistan. McMahon Line between India and China. Durand Line between India and Afghanistan. Let us see on maps Pause on each map and observe. India's geographical position on world map. You can see Tropic of Cancer with blue line passing through central India. India shares land borders with 7 nations. North, West, Afghanistan and Pakistan. North, China, Nepal and Bhutan. East, Myanmar, Burma and Bangladesh. Neighboring countries also include Sri Lanka to the south and Maldives to the southwest. In this map we can see geographical location and extent. Latitudinal position extends from 8 degrees and 4 minutes north to 37 degrees and 6 minutes north latitude. Longitudinal position extends from 68 degrees and 7 minutes east to 97 degrees and 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degrees north latitude passes through the central part of India. And other details observe and let me know what you found. In this map we will see physical features of India. 4 major divisions: Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains and Islands. And other details observe and let me know what you found. Physical divisions of India. 4 major divisions: Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains and Islands. 1. Northern Mountains. The Himalayas. The highest mountain range in the world. Consists of high peaks, deep valleys, glaciers and rivers. Extends about 2,500 kilometers from the Pamir Knot in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Composed of 3 main parallel ranges. Shivalik Mountains, most recent formations, located in the south, also called the foothills, with heights of 600 to 1,500 meters. They have narrow plains or valleys called dunes. Example: Dehradun. The Himachal Middle Himalaya, located between Shivalik and the Greater Himalayas, with heights of 3,600 to 4,500 meters and width of 60 to 80 kilometers. Consists of ranges like Pir Panjal, Mahabharat Range, Nagtibba, Mussoorie, etc. Famous valleys include Kangra and Kulu. Well-known hill stations include Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Chakrata and Darjeeling. Greater Himalayas. Himadri, known for the highest peaks, earlier formed ranges, completely covered with snow. Abode of snow. Heights are 6,000 to 8,000 meters. Contains Mount Everest 8848 meters between Nepal and Tibet, and other peaks like Kanchenjunga, Dhalgiri, Nanda Devi, Gaurishankara. Many glaciers. Example: Gangotri, origin of river Ganga and passes. Example: Barzil, Jojila, Baralacha. Trans-Himalayas, fold mountains north of the Greater Himalayas, including Karakoram Range and Kailash Range. Godwin-Austen or K2 8611 meters is the highest peak in India. Ladakh Plateau is in this region. Importance of the Himalayas: provide protection from cold Siberian winds, birthplace of many rivers, facilitate hydroelectric power, home to diverse plants and animals, treasure house of minerals, significant for tourism and religious centers. 2. Northern Great Plain. Sutlej-Ganga Plains. Located between the Himalayan mountains in the north and the Peninsular Plateau in the south. Stretches from the Indus River plains in the west to the Brahmaputra Valley in the east. Breadth is around 2,400 kilometers, width is 70 kilometers to 500 kilometers. Area with the least variation in height and is completely flat. Formed by the deposition of alluvial soils brought by Himalayan rivers. Terms related to alluvial deposits. Babar, deposition of rocks by Himalayan rivers when they enter the plains. Bhangar area with loamy soil deposited in ancient times. Khadar loamy soil formed in recent times. 3. Peninsular Plateau. The largest physiographic division of India. Most ancient, part of the Gondwana landmass. Stretches from the south of the Sutlej-Ganga plains to the Indian Ocean in the south. Total area is around 16 lakh square kms. Extends from Aravalli Mountains in the north to Kanyakumari in the south approximately 1,400 kilometers. Extends from the Western Ghats in the west to the Rajmahal Hills of Jharkhand in the east. Triangular in shape, broad in the north and narrow towards the south. Bounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Central Plateau north of Narmada includes Vindhya Mountains, Satpura Hills, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and rivers like Narmada, Tapti, and Damodar. Deccan Plateau south of Central Plateau includes Mahadev and Makhal ranges, Amarkantak Hills, Rajmahal Hills to the north. Western Ghats, to the west of the Deccan Plateau. Called Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Anamudi Peak 2,665 meters in Annamlai range is the highest peak in South India. Eastern Ghats, to the east of the Deccan Plateau. Meet the Western Ghats in the Nilgiri Hills. Not very high or continuous, separated by river valleys. Armakonda and Mahendragiri are the highest peaks. Economic significance, rich deposits of minerals, suitable for hydroelectricity generation due to waterfalls. 4. Coastal plains. Narrow plains along the coastline, apart from islands. Total coastline of 6,100 kilometers. Extends from the Kutch region of Gujarat to the Gangetic River basin in the east. Divided into West Coast and East Coast. West Coast spreads from Kutch, Gujarat in the north to Cape of Kanyakumari in the south, between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. 1,500 kilometers long. Subdivided into Malabar Coast Kerala, Canara Coast Karnataka, Konkan Coast Goa and Maharashtra, and Gujarat Coast. Major ports include Mumbai, Marmugao, Cochin, Kandala, Karwar, and Mangalore. East Coast extends from Kanyakumari in the south to the Gangetic River in the north, between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. Very wide and flat. Comprises deltas of Mahandi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Has salty, brackish water lakes or lagoons. Example: Chilka Lake in Odisha, Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu. Divided into Utkal Coast in the north and Coromandel Coast in the south. Islands. India has a total of 247 islands. 204 are in the Bay of Bengal and 43 are in the Arabian Sea. A few coral islands are in the Gulf of Mannar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Bay of Bengal, are formed from hard volcanic rocks. Lakshadweep Islands, Arabian Sea, are coral islands. India's extreme southern tip, Indira Point, is located in the Great Nicobar Island. On the map, let us see Mannar Island, Gulf of Mannar. In this map, we can see Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Sea, Bay of Bengal. In this map, we can see Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked, please share it with your friends and like-minded folks. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.